Hey, Bruce. I'm gonna be honest with you. Today was a very unproductive day. I don't know what went through me. I think a part of me didn't want to do 30 outreach again. I know it sounds so, but I'm just gonna be authentic with you. I didn't want to do 30 outreaches, and I guess I lack sleep. Not saying excuses, just being honest. I ended up not doing any work except for listening to the audiobook Faith-Driven Entrepreneur, which is one of the on the to consume list, for like 30 minutes. After that, I just ended up like watching a movie and playing pickleball with my family, which I don't regret. But I think the realization I have is like I will have these days where I just like I don't know if it's allostatic load or not, or if I'm just being lazy. I just know that okay, this is a feedback loop. I can't let it be a feeder action where I just yeah, I allow myself to have these inconsistent days, but also I should analyze with like objectively with no judgment what caused this. And I was like analyzing it, and I think part of it is like lack of sleep, sleeping really late for no relevant reason. And because if we talk about like feedback loops and second order consequences, sleeping late, wake up late, less productive. In a way, it just seeps in. So that's what I want to fix. The only problem is like I'm behind on my tasks, which in a way is isn't that bad of a problem because like I get to decide my own hours. But still, I want to do better. Although I won't be able to do much tomorrow because I also have like plans with friends and I'm gonna practice basketball too. But I just want to be open and upfront with you. I don't want to hide anything or pretend that I'm doing all right when I'm not. So yeah, God bless you. I'm gonna focus on sleep and rest. Um, didn't really get that much sleep. Got that 7 hours of sleep. Could improve. Um, at least I'm consistent with the free trip and entrepreneur video book. But in terms of the modules, I'm behind. Like on two modules. Like I'm supposed to finish. When I'm finished. I'm done with this. What do you should? Supposed to finish outstanding arc. I'm at like 15 minutes, so not good, not good. Iterative renaissance. Yeah, I'll just find a way to adjust. At least Kaizen, improving 1% every time. In the shower, I had some ideas for strategies I want to do. I realized if I apply the 80/20 rule, I realized I haven't received any like replies on Facebook groups or emails, cold emails. Haven't tried cold calls though. Might try it. Although for my niche, it might not be good, but then I could try it out. I've been getting responses and results from Instagram. So I'm gonna double down Instagram, maybe make 80% of my outreaches Instagram. So like 20 outreach from Instagram. Then the rest, I could split it to Facebook groups and cold emails. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Just want to improve on that. And another thing is a big time waster was tracking every lead. When I realized like I don't really need to, especially since I did it on my immersion like the niche immersion, like the undercover account. I would search through there and then I'll track it here. And then I would message with my own IG account. So it's like three steps and it could just be one. I could just count how many people I'm messaging and have a tracker, not really like with the details, because like I don't really need the details. I just need responses. If I get responses, then I could study them more deeply. But like I the workflow I'm understanding is this. Not gonna use the undercover IG account. This is gonna use mine. Gonna search the hashtag on Instagram. Once I find someone to message, I'll look for like three things. Do they fit my niche? Is there something that I can compliment them on? And then like how can I custom message? Spend like 2 minutes. Boom. That's 20 times 2. 20 times 2. That's like 40 minutes. 40 minutes done in IG. And I think that's much faster. I don't think it'll even take 2 minutes. It'll take like 1 minute. So around like 20 minutes. It's just theory, but it's a hypothesis. And all I need to do is to get critical information to see if it works, get feedback to see if it works. If it works, then we'll go for it. See, like, I know I could beat myself up for like being inconsistent and lazy. Okay, not really lazy, but then like not fully following through what I did. But remember the chart, the things that I did in the past. Like, I even forgot what I've done the past week, but it's affecting me now. The reason I'm here today is because of the work that I did last week. So I'm gonna be less harsher on myself and realize that, hey, at least we got a strategy in place. At least we did something right today. And tomorrow we continue however we can. I'll update you. God bless you. Thanks for listening. Have a great blessed day. Amen.